Dusty Mac's got a new video out. I gotta call my bro. What is it, bro? What is it, bro? Dusty Mac just put out a new video. Holy cow, it's been 2 weeks. I know, dude. Bro. So, 2 episodes ago, I started the fabrication on the window frame / roof repair using the shrinker and the stretcher and the English wheel to get the panels to a shape that would fit around. Then, you should set a crazy build deadline. Something that makes you feel rushed and like you're gonna go crazy. It'll go great. Okay, sounds fun. I'll do it. I decided to set this huge goal. I wanted to have all the metal repair and rust repair done by my wife's birthday, July 28th, have the car mocked up as a roller. So, what happened with the window and the roof repair? And where have I been for the past 2 weeks? Dusty Mac ain't put out a video in 2 friggin' weeks. Friggin' lazy bum. He better have a good reason for this. The reason I've been gone the past 2 weeks is... Hold on! So, my son and I would be celebrating our birthdays, both of us in March, and my wife and I decided we wanted to redo my son's room for his 13th birthday. You know, transition his room from the little boy room to a teenage room, if you will. She wanted me to build him a desk and some custom shelves to go in his closets, both of which I've never built before. So, I went at it. Now, I fabricate well with metal, but I'm still learning with the wood. I'm still learning as a carpenter. So after I built the desk and the custom shelves, which turned out awesome, we decided to get him a loft bed, which would also need to be built, and my wife thought it'd be a good idea for me to build him a custom gun rack, which I've also never done before. Now in the end, this turned out amazing. Our son was stoked. Between my wife and daughter's painting his room, mixed with his custom new desk, closet shelves, his gun rack, loft bed, his new lights, and his gaming chair, and my wife adding the finishing touches with his awesome decor, he was stoked. So after a crazy weekend of upgrading my son's room, we decided we should go for a little breath of fresh air and go hiking. We went out on a little adventure, which was awesome. It's great to get out and enjoy our family because our kids are literally growing up like weeds. A little sunshine, some snacks, outdoor activities does the body good. Now, back to work on the Datsun, right? Hold it right there, bud. It was time to go on the camping trip we had been planning to celebrate kind of me and my son's birthday. His is at the beginning of March, mine's at the end of March. So we decided to go on a little camping trip, took our camper. We had some great food, laughs.
You might want to change.
You think? That's toxic. My hair's gonna be wet now.
You think?
You think?
We just,
You missed it.
we got all the water off the awning.
Welcome.
Kayaked, fished, well, tried to fish, had some good laughs, great food, breakfast on the Blackstone, breakfast over the fire, hamburgers on the Blackstone, and even made some chicken and shrimp and steak fajitas. A little time together to recharge and enjoy. And now we can get back to work on the Datsun. Let's go.
you see it, honey, can you see it? See him past the trouble, now you know the meaning of it all. It's all. Didn't think it happened so soon, but that one afternoon you finally moved on. Letting go of all that he said and finally kept for yourself. You really moved on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. Ooh.
All right, before I go and weld everything in, let's do a quick check and make sure this is gonna fit like it's supposed to.
Good. No more bleeding, can't you see it healing? Hold on to that feeling, 'cause I know you're gonna get it right. So right. Didn't need it, now you didn't need it. Didn't even feel it, told me like 100 times out loud. Making me proud. 7 days a week, 7 days a week. You've been there for too long.
All right, so I guess you guys probably want to see the finished product up close.
Hold on. And I feel it, feel it, feel it. I feel it, I feel it. This gon' be the ending of all that's bad. From now on, let's just leave it all in the past and look how good we are.
Looks pretty awesome. I'm super happy with it, especially considering where we started. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a favor, smash the like button. It greatly helps out the channel. Hope you guys are doing well. A lot of you guys have messaged me and you got back to work on your own projects. Go kick some butt. Hopefully you guys understand all the stuff we've had going on, spending time with the family, doing things around the house. Life is life. I work a full-time job, married, 2 kids. So as much as I'd love to come out here and wrench on this car every single day and get it knocked out super fast, that ain't real life. Real life is it's pouring down rain while I'm trying to film. Thank you guys for the support. Anyways, enough rambling. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out. It's been 2 weeks. I know, dude. Bro! Okay, I'm gonna let you go so I can watch this video right now. Okay, bro, me too. Don't forget to smash the like button, bro. Helps out the channel. I'm smashing it, bro. Wait a minute. Which one?